Hi! Today I'd like to tell a few words about one of my most complex models. It's a Feller-Bunch. I've never seen this monster in real life, only on Discovery Channel. The model has a really long story. The first version was an epic fail and it was completely disassembled after first tests. The scale was too large and the tower destroyed the leveling system. Leveling system allows these machines to walk on slopes, and I plan to save this feature in my model. So, the second version was started from leveling system. I've done it with 4 large actuators, and this system can tilt in any direction. This construction is very reliable. The pivot is deepened into the tower to lower the center of gravity. The second basic problem was the lack of remote control channels. The Feller-Buncher uses 11 remote control channels, but there are only 8 remote control channels in power function system. I've added 2 mod switches to solve this problem. For example, drive motors and leveling motors can't work simultaneously. To switch the modes, I used one more power function channel. There are many wires here and it was really difficult to do them invisible. After more than 1 year since the first sketches, the model was complete. But it wasn't the end. A famous American collector, also known as Blackbird, suggested me to finish the digital model and to create building instructions. It took many hours, but the digital model was finished, and now you can assemble this model too. Check the movie description to the links. I know several builders already have constructed the model and I'm really happy. I want to construct it too once more because I want to mount here as brick. As brick will raise the control of this model to the next level. Leave your comments, I hope you like it. And in the end I'll discover the main feature of this model. It's a green color, it looks really awesome. Bye!